Right, glad to say she's all done. All finished off. I'll show, get in the back in a minute and show you from the back, it's easier to see it that way. But that is all nicely finished off. Just wanted to show you first, before I get in the back and show you the dash, how these flaps work. They're sealed down as you would do on the normal Puma, but on the dashboard we've got the switches here now to open and close them, and the air comes up here to the top vents. Makes a big difference actually. I took it out yesterday in the warm weather and it's just superb. I love it. Really pleased with the way it works. So that's that. So let's just, that's the switch you use. And there she goes up, and there she goes down. There's an electric cutout switch on it for the top end and bottom end, so you can't overstretch the ram. Works absolutely beautiful. Your tweeters on top. These are all leather trimmed. You've seen these before earlier on in the video. Taking the rear bulkhead out in this one, obviously, to get more space at the back to put the seats further back. Put them on some on rails. Seat slide further back, getting more leg room. Door cards have changed again. About the 5th time I've changed the door cards. Looking better now. Orange steering wheel finishes it off. Nice Momo steering wheel. Middle console that I showed earlier in the video, that's all fitted now. We've just got a normal stereo in there. You can put a sat nav, anything you want in there. All done. Pleased with that. Looks well. Gear stick LT77 box, so that's the one with the reverse top left. So that's how it's bent, slightly down and then even more further back up again, like a swan neck. So you've got first there, second, third, fourth, and so on. So there's just brings the gear lever, the gear knob itself further down. The actual operation's the same, doesn't interfere with the diff lock or the high-low ratio. Nice mats in here, again orange door cards. Orange trim on the cubby box just to finish it off. So that's all done. That's what you can do. That's how customizable they are. You can just do anything, any colour, any combination, any layout in terms of stereo. Hold on.